India-Europe relations and IMEC corridor explained. UPSC current affairs. Hello everyone. Today, let's understand an important development related to India-Europe relations and the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, also known as IMEC. Recently, India and Italy discussed expanding cooperation in areas like trade, defense, connectivity, and technology. This development is important because it reflects India's growing strategic partnership with European countries. Now let's understand one important term here: IMEC. IMEC stands for India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor. It is a major connectivity project announced during the G20 summit. The corridor aims to connect India with Europe through the Middle East using ports, railways, shipping routes, energy networks, and digital connectivity. The proposed route involves countries like India, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Jordan, Israel, and several European nations. The main objective of IMEC is to improve trade speed, reduce transportation costs, and strengthen global supply chains. Another important point is that IMEC is also seen as a strategic alternative to China's Belt and Road Initiative. Now, why is Europe becoming important for India? Europe is one of India's major trading partners. India also wants stronger cooperation with Europe in areas like green technology, defense, manufacturing, semiconductor supply chains, and clean energy. From a geopolitical perspective, this partnership helps India diversify its global partnerships. For UPSC aspirants, this topic is important because it connects international relations, global trade, connectivity projects, India Europe relations, and emerging geopolitical competition. For prelims, remember IMEC countries, G20 initiatives, and major connectivity corridors. For mains, this topic can be linked with India's foreign policy, strategic partnerships, and global economic diplomacy. Overall, IMEC reflects India's attempt to become a major global connectivity and trade hub in the coming years. To learn more, download the EduRev app. Thank you.